Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn moral science of class 2, lesson 40. Our lesson name is Helen Keller. So, children, today we learn about Helen Keller. And Helen Keller was known as symbol of courage. She was known as symbol of courage, and she was an American educator, advocate for the blind and deaf. So she was born on June 27, 1880, Tuscumbia in Alabama. She was born on June 27, 1880. Okay, and her father name was Arthur H. Keller and mother name was Kate Adams Keller. So, and when she was 19 month old, she lost her sight and hearing. She lost her sight and hearing in 1882 due to high fever. Actually, that time nobody knows what the disease was. Doctor tried their best, but they could not succeed. And due to that sickness, due to that high brain fever, she became blind, deaf and dumb. So after that, Helen's mother got a teacher for Helen to teach at home, to come to the house and teach her. So she got a teacher, Miss Annie Sullivan. And Miss Annie Sullivan was very hardworking teacher. So children, it is very difficult to teach the dumb, blind and deaf people, isn't it? So the teacher was very hardworking, and Miss Annie Sullivan she strongly believed that obedience is the gateway through which knowledge and love enter the mind of a child. And Miss Annie Sullivan started working hard with Helen. The first word which she taught Helen was doll. She used to keep the doll on Helen's palm. And after that she used to write with her finger on her palm. And like that Helen learned to read. And Helen started showing interest in studies. Then a miracle happened in Helen's life. One day, she spelled the word doll. The first word she spelled, it was doll. So, and after that, even she spelled the word like water, teacher, and Miss Sullivan taught her how to read a book with the help of the Braille system. So when Helen grew up, she wanted to study and get a degree. So she took admission in Radcliffe Women's College, Harvard University, USA. First, she found it was too difficult to study the various subjects. But after that, she started enjoying her studies, and hard work made the things easier. Hard work made the things easier. And soon she became popular in college. In 1904, she achieved graduation with the excellent marks. So children think she was blind, deaf, and dumb, and she passed the graduation with the excellent marks. And after the graduation, she decided to help the handicapped people all around the world, and she started to attend the meetings conducted for the benefit of the handicapped people. And during Second World War, 1939, she visited the blind Americans in the hospital to console and encourage them. So children, she also was blind, deaf, and dumb. Even that, she visited the blind Americans in the hospital to console and encourage them. After that, in 1961, she got sick and lost the power of communication. And at the age of 88, 1968, she died. 1968, she died. So children, in this lesson, we learn the moral of the story. We learn that you should develop the qualities of faith, courage, hard work, and determination within yourself. You should develop the qualities of faith, courage, hard work, and determination within yourself. So children, once again you also read the chapter, then you will understand more about her. You will learn more about her. So that's all for today.